All right, ladies and gentlemen, this quick video cast will help you as you graph the information that you should have put on the top half of the sheet that you just finished. So you should have this information recorded across the top half of the Bell Work page. So I'm just going to preserve that across the bottom as we look at how to include that on the graph on the back. So the data across the bottom tells us all sorts of things. So let's hone in first on this initial position information. So the starting position is -8 meters, and that includes when we start the time. So that means that the time equals 0 seconds when the position is -8 meters. So that makes the initial time and initial position related to this value right here. So it makes sense that we can say that at 0 seconds, the initial position is -8 meters. So that's a point that we can graph. You'll be able to make that assumption throughout this page. So if you were graphing car A, then you would start by putting the first point at 0 seconds, 8 meters. So that's what I've done right here. Then the final position in time, we've got the final position at 4 meters, and that occurred 3 seconds later. So that means that the TF is 3 seconds, and TF is 3 seconds, excuse me, and XF is +4. So that's the next point that we need to graph. 3 seconds, 4 meters. Then to show the trend between these two, we just are going to add a line. So it's a line with a positive slope. The slope of that line happens to be 4 meters per second. So the red line shows the velocity of car A as car A moves from -8 meters to +4 meters in 3 seconds. So on all of the cars that you graph, it'll be cars 1 through 7, you will have them originate at different points along this axis. So it's going to have lines that just go all over the place. And some will be positively sloped, some will be negatively sloped. And that's okay. Just use this initial position to help you as you locate the original position to start with. Then the final position and the time passed go together to produce this point. So good luck, do a good job, and be sure that you finish this virtual toy car lab activity before you return to class next time. It's vital that you know how to do this for your test.